Take a moment and let this sink in. You have survived 100% of your worst days, every single one. Think back to the moments when the path ahead was completely obscured, when the weight of the world felt like it was resting solely on your shoulders. Remember the nights you were certain you wouldn't find the strength to face the morning. The times your own inner critic was the loudest voice in the room. And yet, here you are. You are stronger than you give yourself credit for. This isn't a hollow platitude. It's a fact proven by your own history. Every time you thought you couldn't possibly handle something, you found a way. You adapted. You endured. You did it. Every time your mind screamed, "I can't go on," a quiet, persistent part of you whispered, "Just one more step." And you listened. You still did. True strength doesn't always roar like a tempest. It isn't always a grand, heroic act visible to the world. More often, it's the quiet resolve to simply try again. It's the courage to get out of bed when it feels impossible. It's the grace you give yourself on the days you fall short. Sometimes, strength is just taking that one more step, and then another. Each of these small victories, these quiet acts of perseverance, is a testament to your spirit. They are the threads that weave the fabric of your resilience. So on the days when doubt creeps in, when you feel small against the vastness of your challenges, remember this. Remember the mountains you've already climbed. You are living, breathing proof of resilience. That power isn't something you need to find. It's something you already possess. It has been with you all along. Never ever forget how powerful you already are.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.